everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know how to fry a piece of fish, well, let's get into this video. I'm teaching my daughter, so I just decided to record it. Fish Friday flounder.
It is Friday. That's easy.
Pour it in there with your fry batter. Okay, you're gonna mix this together. You're gonna put you some black pepper. Black pepper, lemon pepper.
Do we have lemon pepper?
Yes, we got lemon pepper. This is Tamaya cooking. She ready to fry some fish, y'all. And put some hot sauce and put on your fish. We are using flounder fish for your binder, okay? You're gonna put your batter on top of your fish if you're using a plate. If you're using a bag, you know, you just shake it in the bag. And you're gonna press it down. Like so. For your fish. This is flounder. But you do this for catfish as well. Cod, whatever. But flounder is very delicate piece of fish. Okay. You take your fish, you shake the excess batter off like so. You see that? This fish is not gonna break, young lady. Okay, y'all. I'm helping Maya learn how to fry fish. This is flounder. Okay, when your oil get ready, you're gonna take it. You're gonna lay it in your oil like so, and you skin it like this. And you will fry your flounder for approximately 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's it. Maya's supposed to be over here flipping this fish, let you singing a song. Somebody named Mona Lisa or something. Mona Lisa. But instead of her over here frying fish, she's in the background talking about Mona Lisa. This is Maya's piece of fried fish. The first piece is out of the skillet. So I just taught her how to make fried flounder again, fried fish. Y'all have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace. Fish Fry Friday.